Hi! We're revealing a set of the most powerful hidden GPTs, a game changer for cybersecurity professionals. Today we can go through Ethical Hacker GPT. Demonstrate how to use it responsibly for security research. An Ethical Hacker GPT is a specialized AI assistant fine-tuned to explain security concepts, suggest defensive checks, and help plan safe, permissioned tests. Not a tool for committing harm. Open your web browser, search for Ethical Hacker GPT. Ethical hacking is the authorized practice of testing and securing computer systems, networks, and applications. Submit a security-related question and review the responses below. It's done by cybersecurity professionals, often called white hat hackers.
In the next video, we'll explore Bug Hunter GPT, practical workflows and responsible disclosure.